Breaking news! Electron Transport Chain is on strike because they don't have enough brakes. Let's go down to Kirsten for more information on this topic.
Well, I'm here at the ETC, and you can see they are serious. They will not go back to work until their demands are met. Sir, why are you on strike?
Well, we want more breaks because we work 24/7. Because we deserve them. We work the hardest out of all the stages.
Well, you heard it here, folks. They won't go back to work until their demands are met.
Thank you, Kirsten. Now we take you to Rose with an exclusive interview with the boss.
Go.
Sir, is this a problem that Electron Transport Chain isn't working, and are you going to give them any breaks?
No, I'm not going to give them any breaks because their job is too important. And yes, this is a problem. Without them working, the cell is going to begin to die.
What's their job?
Well, their job is to make 32 ATP and H2O, which is water. Go.
Do you know if this strike will ever end?
Well, I don't know when it will end, but I hope for the cell's sake it will stop. Go.
So there you have it, folks. We don't know if ETC will work again, but everyone is hoping that they go back to work. I am Rose from CR News. Back to you, Paige. Thank you, Rose. Now let's go to weather.
Well, it looks like it's going to be a cold one. There's a cold breeze coming in from the outer membrane. And inner membrane, it looks like you're going to need your hat and mittens. Well, good news, kids, in the Matrix. It looks like it's going to snow about 7 inches. And it looks like it's going to be 10 degrees outside the membrane. Well, on the crest, it looks like you're going to have a little flooding, but nothing too serious. That's all for now.
Thanks, Kirsten. In other news, glycolysis might go on strike. We will go live to Kirsten for this full report.
I'm here at glycolysis, and yes, the rumors are true. Glycolysis is going on strike because of lack of donuts and coffee in the break room. I have talked to an expert on what would happen if glycolysis would go on strike. She says she does not want to be named or does not want to be on video. Well, if glycolysis goes on strike, the whole system will break down. It is the main structure of how cellular respiration works. To go more in depth, here's glycolysis. It takes glucose and makes it into 2-pyruvate acid. Then it goes to the Krebs cycle, which makes NADH and FDH2. But without glycolysis, this would not happen, and the Krebs cycle would not go, and ETC would not go either. What is fermentation, and why is it important? All these questions will be answered in this special report. There are 2 types of fermentation, lactic and alcohol. Fermentation starts when there's a lack of oxygen, and when this happens, there is no ATP being made. There are 2 types of fermentation, lactic and alcohol.
1.
Fermentation starts when there's not enough oxygen, and when fermentation starts, there is no ATP being made. And this is CR News. That's all. See you next time.
Bloopers!
And this is CN.
That's a good blooper.
That's a blooper for a blooper. Oh my gosh.
It's still recording. What the hell? So there you have it, folks. We don't know if I screwed that up.
Well, you heard it here, folks. They will not go back.